Hey guys, it's George aka Goldtank GOEF here today with another video. So today we're doing the tried to tell them. Literally, we're over here, we're gonna take on this executor boss. It's right nearby my parents' house. I'm staying there tonight because I have to work super early. Let's see. Here we go. There's our raid pass. Ooh, and a 10k. I'm going to quickly take advantage of us getting that 10k. And looks like we need another incubator. The only time I'll really buy an incubator is when I get a 10k. But keep in mind that I actually invest my own money, which I currently earn nothing off of YouTube whatsoever, so everything on my channel that I spend money on towards videos, it's all for you guys. Anyway, this is only a tier 2. We're gonna solo it pretty easy. Alright, Scissor, Flareon. Not sure why it's choosing such a low Flareon. Let's see. There we go. It's better. Right there. That whatever just happened there, that wasn't nice at all. Anyway, 70 seconds till the match begins. And we're gonna solo it and see how good we do. 2 Scissors and 4 Flareons, that's our current team. I'm not gonna heal Pokemon because that's how the glitch happens. Also, this quote is just so funny that I had to show it in this video as well. Make sure you guys, well, if you guys are watching this video, you've probably watched the video this is referring to. Which, that video is definitely a huge accomplishment for me. Never had a video be that popular. And I'd just like to thank you guys as much as I can for that. And what I'm going to do, because of how great that video did, I'm going to keep doing these raids daily. Get at least one raid done and uploaded same day. On days where I'm off of work, I can probably do 2. I'll probably either choose between the 2 of them, or... Alright, let's see how Scissor does. Alright, super effective. And we're just snipping away. Alright, so those are really good. Getting our 3 special attacks. Yeah, easy. Alright, lagging. Yep. Oh no, we actually didn't lag. Alright, so that seed bomb did like nothing to us. So never mind. Alright, that's 2 Pokemon out. Let's finish it off with our 3rd Scissor. Well, our 2nd Scissor of this team. We have a total of 6 of them. Also, I figured out the tapping noise. Let's see what CP it is. 1621. Alright. Charge TM. 2 golden raspberries. 3000 XP. Contribution, of course, we did the best because we soloed it. Alright, catch executor. Let's see. No, we're not using golden raspberry. But just because I watched Mystic 7's videos, I'm gonna try a couple. Nope. See how bad I am? How do you... See, this is why I don't throw curveballs. Alright, I'm stopping. It's going straight on, so I know I'll hit it basically every time. Let's Nanab bury it again, because we have like no other purpose. Alright, there's a great, a little bit of spin on it. Not enough to be called a curveball anyway, or effective, but a little bit of visual effect. There's another nice. Alright, it broke free. We have two. Alright, it's slightly starting to worry me now. I'm not going to catch it. Oh well, if I don't catch it, it's not the end of the world. I didn't need it that that much anyway. Alright, two. It's down to the last one, guys. Nanab bury it again. Oh, and that was horrible. Horrible aim. Oh well, we defeated it. We got a charged TM, and we got some golden raspberries. Oh, okay, that's a pretty cool. Let's see. Oh, huh. Almost let us do it again. Well, see another raid. Yeah, that's that one. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to tune in for my next video tomorrow. Probably getting uploaded at the same time. The Wednesday episode, however, probably be a bit later in the night. Just because I have volunteering, which that is like one of my favorite things that I get to do every Wednesday. And I'll make sure that I get it recorded before that. Because, of course, raids basically stop before the nighttime. That's what I've seen. There's just no raids once it becomes nighttime. Which is definitely weird. I think the developers should have raids going on in the night. And if there was raids going on in the night, then that could be where all the nighttime Pokemon come out in raids as well. Like Tyranitar could be a night one. So could Unknown. Unknown would be a really cool one. Especially if Unknown was a 5th tier boss. Which would be crazy. Just have like, I don't know, for a tier 5, I know they'd be extremely rare and they're probably not even out yet, but it'd be really cool if they decided, hey, we're gonna go and every time you find a tier 5, it has a 50% chance of being an unknown, and then the other 50% is divided up into all the legendaries. And so you have a chance of finding each in each gym. Which I think that personally would be really cool. Although one thing for sure, I'm going to say that Niantic should not do, that would really anger a lot of players, is if they had specific passes for tier 5 gyms only. Which would just be dumb. I'm definitely a fan of one pass for the whole game. And let's see. Alright. Now that I've safely crossed the street, going to say and continue what I was saying. And Niantic, please don't put tier 5 passes, tier 5 tickets to do a tier 5 raid. That would not be cool. It would just be dumb at that point. However, I am still in favor of possibly not including the 3 legendary birds, and instead of that, they could have the orbs, which you have to fill up with Pokemon souls, basically. Which would basically mean a lot of transferring Pokemon, as well as catching. And I'm thinking probably around 200 Pokemon catches per. Hey. Anyway, that would mean that each one you'd have to capture 200 of not necessarily the same type Pokemon as the legendary bird. But I think it should be random which orb you get when you fill up the orb. It could be the orb with static souls for all we know. Even though you could have farmed a ton of water types or fire types. I kind of think that would be a cool thing to do. Or you can make it more accurate, have it be type based, but of course Articuno would be the hardest to get that way. But we'll see. We'll just have to see what happens. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave comments below. Any suggestions of different battles you think I should do. Different future video ideas. Bye, guys.